Get ready for a wild ride because I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android, no computer. So I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see that it actually works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So this is super cool, guys. So as you can see, we got the fully working Delta Executor. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, guys, we got all the settings here. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super amazing, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So as you can see, guys, we got all the settings here. So this is so cool. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So as you can see, we got all the settings here. So this is very cool. So let's get into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go to the website, blocksnova.net. So once you're on this website, guys, you can download it. So what I'm going to do is just press the button that says Get Delta, but you can read all about it. They got lots of information here, as you can see. So that is super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that button. So before this starts, it's going to ask for your username. Now at this point, there may be a high traffic verification you have to complete. I already did this, but I just want to let you guys know. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my username right here, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. So at this point, it's just going to download it onto my device. So I'm just going to wait. So you just got to confirm that it's you. So as you can see, guys, it says right here, import Delta Executor. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. And then it's going to start the download. So let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So let's just see what happens. So it should work. So as you can see, it says API connecting and everything. So I'm just going to wait. So here's the verification thing I was talking about, except I already did it. So I'm just going to press I'm not a robot. And then we should be good to go. So it worked. So yeah, be sure to try us out, guys. It's super cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. But if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super wild. So that's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is so amazing. And it's fully updated and everything. So if you guys are broke, be sure to try us out because you can do this without a computer. It's super cool. So yeah, get the word out, guys. That's how to get Delta Executor for your device. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is so fun. If you're depressed with the normal Roblox experience, this is way better. So yeah, as you can see, we got all the settings there. So it's so cool. This is fully working, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. And there's no problems here, as you can see. So this is so cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out because this is fully working, guys. No problems. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. And yeah, have fun and peace out.